Hello and welcome, guys. This is Vijay. This video is about giving an introduction to the upcoming C programming series that is going to be started within this month. Before getting to this video, who are not yet subscribed, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon too to get the instant notifications from this channel. Actually, 2 days before, I have posted a video which explains the three strategies to improve our C skills. In that video, I have given the three strategies. These are the strategies: preparing C aptitude questions, doing simple C programs, then try out hackathon programs. So to complete the second strategy, doing simple C programs, I already said that I am going to start a C programming series to complete this category. So before getting to this video, whoever not yet watched this previous video, please do watch and then come back to this video. Please find the link of the previous video in the description. Let's get into this presentation. Let's have a look at what are the programs will be covered in this series for each category. So the first category is, we know that, number search programs. Actually, there are few algorithms available to search a given number from the given list. So here I am going to cover a linear search program, binary search program. Then apart from these two, some few algorithms will be covered here. Then after that, array by matrix programs. If you take array, it can be a 2D, 3D, 4D, etc. It will go, but we don't go that much depth. But we can cover here 2D and some 2D and 3D programs. In 3D programs, it's nothing but matrix. So in matrix, we can be asked to calculate the sum of the main diagonal, sum of anti-diagonal, and sum of the all the elements in the given matrix. Then whether the given matrix is identical or not. These kind of programs will be asked in the interviews. Then the third category is string related programs. So we know already in C program, string.get file is available. So we can directly use the inbuilt functions like string length, string copy, string cat. So without using those inbuilt functions, we will be asked to calculate the length of a string. Then we will be asked to copy the string, then to concatenate two strings. So these kind of programs will be asked in the interview without using the string.get files. So I'm going to cover these type of programs in this category. Then apart from these things, we can see also string palindrome and the string swap, then string reverse. These kind of programs I'm going to cover. Then next one is pointer programs. We know already that whenever we decide to learn C, we should also learn pointers here. We can't skip the pointers. Without pointers, C is nothing. So I am going to cover some few samples, single pointers, double pointers, and triple pointers. Up to triple pointers, this is enough. So I'm going to cover some sample pointer programs here. Then next category is order-wise programs. Order-wise is nothing but we will be given few numbers, list of numbers, maybe 10 numbers or 15 numbers. We need to order them in ascending or descending way. So apart from ascending and descending, some more algorithms are there. So I am going to cover those algorithms also in this category. So after that, we will be asked math related programs. So if we want to do math related program, we should know the formula of some uh, if we want to calculate the area of a circle, we should know the formula pi r square, so that only we can calculate the area of the circle in our program. So like area of a circle, we will be asked to calculate circumference, volume of any shape, volume of cone, volume of cylinder, whatever will be asked. So we will be ready with the formula to calculate those things in our program. So apart from these formula related concepts, some are programs available, in maths, we can calculate AP series, GP series, then like a quadratic equation. So these kind of programs will also be asked in an interview. It depends upon the position that you are going to apply. So I'm going to cover these things also in this category. So the next one is pattern programs. So pattern programs is a separate category. Apart from those categories, it is a separate category. So it's like a design, it's like a shape. We can use a star or any special symbol to make that particular shape. So especially or mostly the programmers will use a star here. So we will be asked to print a pyramid shape using star. So it's like a pyramid. It can be a pyramid, it can be a triangle, whatever it can be the shape given, we have to print that shape actually. So mostly asked programs are pyramid programs. There are a lot of types in that pyramid. So it can be a full pyramid, it can be a off pyramid, it can be inverted pyramid, it can be a hollow is nothing but a gap will be there inside that pyramid. So these kind of programs will be asked in pattern programs. So it can be a triangle, it can be a Pascal's triangle, it can be a Floyd's triangle. So these things will be covered in this pattern program categories. Then apart from these, we know that general programs, general numeric programs, in these categories we will be playing with numbers. So whenever you will be given a number, you can be asked to calculate a Fibonacci series, whether need to find whether the given number is prime or not, this is palindrome or not. So these kind of programs will also be asked. These are the main programs. Actually, these two categories are main whenever you go for a C interview. So you should prepare these things first. Yeah, this is the overview. These are the programs I am going to cover in this series. So whoever would like to participate in this series, please do watch all the videos from the scratch to the end. Please do follow the strategy that I have given in the previous video. Please do follow, then continue this video series so that you can be good at its C. Thank you and good luck. We'll see you in the programming videos.